What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun video. I'm going to be doing a wheel spin video. So what I did is I took every player, not exactly every, like I didn't add like a couple golds, I think, because there was a lot. I added all of the players I have in my team to separate wheels per position. Let's start off with our lineup right here. I'm excited to try this. I don't know what I'm gonna get. First wheel spin coming up for the point guard wheel. We are gonna get we get gold Jeremy Lin. So let me go ahead and put him in the lineup. We got gold Jeremy Lin. We're not starting off hot. We're gonna spin it one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, give me something good. Gold Peyton Pritchard. So we got 2 golds. So we got gold Peyton Pritchard coming off the bench. So now we're gonna go up to the shooting guard wheel. 3, 2, 1, go. First player on the shooting guard wheel we get. Come on. Emerald Luka Doncic. We were this close to getting Ruby Kyle Korver, who is one of my favorite players in the game so far. Second wheel spin, 3, 2, 1, go. We get Sapphire Kelly Tripucka. We get this dude.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Small forward wheel, 3, 2, 1, spin. Come on, give me him with this Tatum. I need something good. Okay. Sapphire Morris Peterson. Now for our second wheel spin for small forward position, 3, 2, 1, spin. We are gonna get gold Wendell Moore Jr. This team is not looking good. So 3, 2, 1, spin. Oh no! Gold John Collins. We were this close to Zion. Oh, dude, this wheel is just utterly fucking me.
What did he say?
Next wheel spin. Just show me. I'm not happy about this right now. Gold Kobe Brown. This is not gonna be fun. Alright, here we go with the center wheel spin. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm hoping for just at least a ruby. I'll even take an emerald, bro. Sapphire Nikola Jokic. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. No. Gold Xavier Tillman Sr. I have never heard of this man a day in my life. You know what? Because I'm feeling bad for myself.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'm going to do 3 more spins for the bench. I'll do a point guard, a small forward, and a center. Alright, it's 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, just at least give me like a ruby or something, please. Sapphire Tony Parker. I'm actually not mad at that. Now we do the small forward. We're gonna do point guard, small forward, center. Just skip shooting guard, power forward. So 3, 2, 1, go. I am really hoping for Jason Tatum here. That would be killer. We are not gonna get him. We are gonna get Emerald Dennis Scott. Okay. Center wheel, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm hoping for something, like at least a sapphire. No, we're gonna get a gold. Gold Anderson Varejao. This wheel was not good to me. It was not good to me. This team is horrible.
Oh my god!
Oh, but we gotta do it, boys. We gotta do it. We're gonna go salary cap with this match. We're well under the salary cap. So let's just see if we can win a game. I, for one, am not excited about this. Hopefully they can prove me wrong. I'm going to have to probably go off with Tony Parker. I have used him before, and he does play very well. But other than that, I don't think I've used a single card in this lineup. I don't think I have at all. Not a single one. I am utterly scared, to tell you the truth. Okay, he's got Sapphire, Steph Curry, Ruby, Sidney, Moncrief. Okay, yeah, we're getting destroyed. There's no getting around from it. We are getting destroyed. Okay. Get that board. All the way, Parker? No, pass it out. Jokic, come on. Put that up, baby. Oh! Oh, he missed. Let's go. Let's get a pick and roll with John Collins. Oh, who's that wide open? Not me. Not me. Oh, he's leaving me wide. Actually, I think I have used this Morris Peterson, now thinking about it. His shot is like wicked fast. Oh, now he's playing off ball. That's funny. Green, let's go. I believe these games are to 40? Why are you leaving him wide open, bro? What are you doing? Oh, okay, all the way, all the way. Tony Parker, let's go. Oh, that's bully ball right there. Hopefully I can get something up with him. Oh, he's wide. He's wide. That's money. Green, let's go. I was kind of hoping to at least get like Sapphire Steph Curry. Not playing too bad right now. Nope, that's nothing. He greened that?
The woman was too stunned to speak.
No, don't pass. Okay. And he loses it. Is that a charge? Oh, that's a miss. Okay, not bad, not bad. He's missing a lot of his shots, so hopefully we can keep him to taking horrible shots. I do not have confidence in my Sapphire, Jokic, or Gold Josh Collins. Oh, Tony Parker, that was a horrible shot.
Out of bounds.
Oh, let's go! Come on, Morris Peterson. You're probably my only hope in getting some real points here. Whoever the hell that is, shoot that. Don't leave him open. No, 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 no. Okay, all the way to the rack! Stay on him. Oh, oh, let's go. Let's go! Fast break. Get on him. No, don't let him shoot that. Okay, good. He bricked it. Give it to Parker. Parker's tired. Honestly, forget his name. And I'm getting double teamed. Wonderful. Spin move. Oh my, what was that? No, nothing.
Why the fuck you lying?
He greened it. I don't even know who, like, what any of their stats are. That's money. Fuck. No way. That's too deep. Let's go. That was a horrible pass. Oh my god. That was just horrible defense on my part. Okay, why are you reaching, bro? His release is really fast. We were there, it's just not in time. Give it to Luka, and then we're gonna give it to Dennis Scott. Ooh, he's actually got an aim. Dude, why is he dope? What was that? Don't let him score at all. Good defense! Tied up going into the second half. Hopefully we can hit our shots, get some wide open looks. Come on, hit that. That was a horrible shot. Come on, stay on Curry. He wanted that, and he doesn't get it. Oh, all the way? All the way? Let's go! Stay on him. He wants the threes. Good defense, good defense. No. In your face. Damn it. Trying to get the steal. Not working in my favor. We're on him. That's... Oh! Good defense. Yo, if I can't get a fucking rebound, this is ridiculous. Thank you. Oh, give me that. Cookies. Pass it out. Oh, I think they have all of my points. Jokic, what are you doing? money. Ah, I love his release. It's so good. It's nice and fast. I like the fast releases. He's going to call a timeout here. We're up by 2. Hopefully we can keep this lead. That would be nice. I am like laser focused right now. Give me the... Oh, come on. Give me that. Good rebound. Is that money? Okay. Good defense. Get that board. All the way. I'm just nervous playing with goal players, man. Like, they're not good. Oh, down low. Let's go. That's good, D. That was a horrible release. That was way too fast. But we get the board. We're gonna try that again. Good defense. Give me that. Brown, get with the game. And the starter's back in. And we get a rage quit, bro. Let's go. I was not expecting that. That was surprisingly kind of fun. I'm gonna be completely honest. I was expecting to get shitted on. This team is hot doo-doo garbage. I made him rage quit. Honestly, I thought that was pretty fun. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a wheel spin video again. Give me some comments down below and let me know if you guys want to see something totally different. I will read all the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that noti bell so you're notified when I post again. And yeah, see y'all in the next one. Peace.